Did you know that the way you display your departure dates can directly affect whether a customer books your trip or just walks away? Things like showing available seats, pricing, and departure status right on your trip page can make all the difference. WP Travel Engine gives you full control over all of that in just a few clicks. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to configure it. Before we get started, make sure you have the Fixed Starting Dates Pro add-on installed and activated. Let's jump in. First, from your WordPress dashboard, hover over WP Travel Engine, then click on Settings. Inside the settings, click on the Extensions section. Then click on Fixed Starting Dates in the dropdown. Now, at the top of the page, click on the second tab, Display Options. Before we go through each setting, one quick thing to note: all the options on this page are turned on by default, so everything is already enabled out of the box. We'll walk through each one so you know exactly what it does and when you might want to adjust it. The first option you'll see is Dates Availability Label. We have a full dedicated tutorial video on this one, so I'll link that in the description. Definitely check that out for the full breakdown. But real quick, let me show you what this toggle actually does. When this is enabled, you can see on the preview that each departure row displays a status badge, like the guaranteed label, right next to each date. This instantly tells your customers the status of each departure, which builds trust and encourages bookings. Now, watch what happens when I turn it off. You'll notice that guaranteed badge completely disappears from the departure rows. So, if you ever wonder why that label isn't showing up on your trip page, this is the toggle to check. Go ahead and turn it back on. Alright, now let's move on to the next setting. Next up is Price. When enabled, the price for each departure shows up directly in the Fixed Starting Dates table, so customers don't have to scroll around looking for it. Moving down, we have Space Left. This shows the number of available seats next to each departure date. This is a simple but effective way to create urgency. When people see limited spots, they're far more likely to book right away. Keep this one on. Just below Space Left is Display Count. This gives you two options: Primary Package or Total. Primary Package shows the seat count for your main package only, while Total combines the available seats across all packages for that departure. If you only have one package per trip, either option works the same. Scroll down a little and you'll find the number of trip dates per pagination field, which is set to 10 by default. This controls how many departure dates appear on the page before customers need to click through to the next set. If you have a large number of upcoming departures, consider bumping this up to 10 or 12 to reduce extra clicking. Once you're happy with everything, don't forget to save settings. After saving, head over to one of your trip pages. Now, let me show you a quick preview of how everything looks on the front end with all these settings enabled. You can see the departure dates laid out cleanly in the table, each row showing the guaranteed status badge, the price, and the number of available seats displayed clearly. This is exactly what your customers will see when they land on your trip page. Clean and informative. And that's a wrap! You now know exactly how to configure the display options for fixed starting dates in WP Travel Engine. These settings are simple, but they go a long way in making your trip pages look professional and helping customers make faster booking decisions. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more WP Travel Engine tutorials. The Dates Availability Label video is linked in the description. Go check that out next. Drop any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.